Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing the right bait and getting it lively. This affects every cast. Pick minnows or worms that match local forage. You want natural movement to trigger strikes. Once selected, move bait to an aerated container and keep it cool. This preserves stamina and scent. Make sure you handle each specimen gently to avoid injury, because a stressed bait swims weakly. These first steps set up success. Do them deliberately, and you'll get better hook sets once you begin fishing. Now you rig and hook live bait so it swims naturally and presents like food. Select a hook sized to both bait and target fish. 2 big kills action, 2 small drops fish. Once chosen, decide between a float, slip sinker, or plain bottom rig. This controls depth and drift. Hook through the lip for forward movement, the back for tail flicks, or the tail for subtle twitching. Each placement changes how predators perceive the bait. Make adjustments gradually, because subtle differences determine attraction. You now deploy the bait and finish the presentation. This is where you convert preparation into fish. Place the baited rig into the target zone and match drift speed to current so the movement looks natural. Adjust float or weight until it swims right. Watch the line for taps or a steady pull, and set the hook decisively to prevent short strikes. If bait swims sluggishly or fish ignore it, return to handling. Re-aerate, change hook placement, or swap bait species. This fix often.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.